Yeah, good afternoon, my people. I guess you are doing good at home. I'm not going to bother you, but I will just put a light in what you need to know. My name is Oluwakemi Adegoke, a participant in Guidance School, MMM Guidance School. Alright, batch October 2017, Group 7. I would like to discuss about the ideology of MMM, how it works, the rules, regulations, and the benefits you get as a participant. MMM is a mutual network where people provide money, which is help directly to each other in automatic private offices via internet with growing up index called Marlboro. Yes. MMM, if I could count 1 or 2, 3 years ahead, MMM is 5 years globally now. And that's over 240 million participants in 118 countries. I think you get that. You note it down? Yeah, thank you. I'm with you, I'm with you, I'm with you, I'm with you. So basically, this makes us, MMM, the largest financial donation exchange in the world. Isn't that interesting? Are you going with me? And see what we're talking about MMM now. Okay, let's go to how it works. Let's say, for instance, you provide help of 1 million naira. On your 1 million naira, you have 30% interest after a month. At the end of the month, let me use it that way. So which means your 1 million naira will be materialized to 1.3 million, which 300,000 is 30% of 1 million. You get that now? That's how it runs. At the end of the month, that is what you are collecting, 1.3 million naira. Isn't that interesting too? Let's keep rolling it. We enjoy it at the end. Alright? In MMM, there is no such at all thing as central account. You can't see it. Kojo, where people deposit money. No. All transactions are done, being made peer-to-peer between members directly to their bank account. That you provide help, you get help, provide help, will send to your account. You that get help, will receive from provide help directly from his account to account, peer to peer. You get that? Okay, let's touch the ideology now so you can see what's behind MMM. Alright? But the ideology of MMM is to make the exchange money fair between people and also to create a world financial freedom where people can assist themselves to carry out projects or meet their needs without having to rely on financial institutions who in return demand a mortgage interest. I guess you understand where that goes, because you want to start a business and you go to bank to loan money. At the end of the day, they give you extravagant, as in high interest. That doesn't work on MMM. With MMM, you are legit. That's how we do it. Okay, let's go to the aim and mission. Alright? MMM aim and mission is just simply financial apocalypse system. Simple that. And it is built and structured to favor the fortunate few in human, somewhat making it a world of hard cash and soulless greed. You get that point there. In MMM, it is not must to refer before you can earn. Kojo, you can't see that in MMM. But if you do refer, you earn 10% of the amount your referral donate to the system. You have 10% of. Okay, let me break it down for you. Right? Your referral donated 100,000 naira. You have 10%. 10% of 100,000 naira is 10,000 naira. I got you there. You have interest in that too. Okay, let's keep rolling. Alright? The question is, where does the 30% comes from, since MMM does not have a central account? When MMM does not collect money from you, so how do they give you that 30%? Let's go inside it. Yeah, thank you. The 30% comes from us, the participants. How? That's the question you want to ask me, have you? I got you already. Through regular provide help, PH, and get help, GH, as we call it, plus inflow of new members, which is your daily referral, your everyday referral, the people you bring in. So why does MMM have to rely on this? I think that is what is inside your mind now, Abi. I get your mind. Don't worry, you're with Oluwakemi already. Alright, Mr. Legit. You understand? Yeah, let's go this way. As we all know, no business on earth can sell off an empty shelf. So the way a business to rely on sells to pay off expenses, you get that, staffs, etc. That is the same way they provide help. A PH, your get help, your GH, an inflow of new members are so vital and quintessential to MMM as a community. You get what I mean now? So I don't need to talk much about MMM. With the little ideology, the points I've given to you now, I guess you understand what MMM really goes on. So with this, I wait you. Alright, Oluwakemi Adegoke, telling you, with MMM, you are legit. With MMM, we rule the world. With MMM, we change the world. With MMM, your financial status will never be the same. See you next. Thank you.